Welcome back. I'm Kashay. Now let's take a look at experiment number 3 from lesson 1 in the Water and Our World Science unit from The Good and the Beautiful. We're going to need a small piece of paper, Kleenex, plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper for this experiment. In this experiment, we're going to be learning about adhesion, or how well the water clings to these surfaces. First, I'm going to put a small drop of water on each of these pieces. Now, let's carefully lift these and turn them over. What we're looking for is how well the water adheres, or sticks, to each surface. Wow, look on this Kleenex, how it just absorbs most of the water. On the aluminum foil, it's sliding right off. And if we keep going through the rest of these, we can see that the plastic wrap leaves quite a few drops left over, and then the wax paper leaves just a little bit as well.
Be sure to check out these Open and Go homeschool science units and many more on goodandbeautiful.com. Also, download our free marine biology unit today.